kwentuhan namin at that time, bigla niyang kinuwento sa akin how it came about. Kasi I didn't know that it was written for me. I thought it was written for me to sing. Because I have many songs that were written for me to sing. But not this song. And then he started to explain. Bakit naiiyak ako? Ina-explain niya sa akin, like the first line. Kasi nung mga panahon na yun, parang pag makikita niya ako, sobra siyang nahahappy, he would get excited, and then he would be sad. Parang all the feelings in the world, alam mo yun, nararamdaman niya every time magkikita kami. Na parang, tuwing ika'y ay nariyan, sabay kong nadarama ang kaba at ligaya. Diba? Yung lahat daw ng feelings na pwedeng maramdaman ng isang tao, nararamdaman niya. Ang iyong tinig, wari ko'y di marinig, pagkat namamangha, pagkausap ka. At that time, we were best of friends. And he was saying, I wanted to tell you, but I couldn't. Kaya nais kong malaman mo ang sinisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ika'y makasama. And then he said, ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay niya, pero ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. He was married at that time, and so all he could do was